Hello, Mystic Element family. Today we just chilling over at my son's house, checking out his little garden on this off-grid property. You know, him and this little girl, wife, they got a little home out here, a little garden going. We just got through snacking on some tomatoes, sweet tomatoes. We're over here, got some cucumbers going. Let's see what's going on over here with these cucumbers, and that's a fig.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Fresh fig. Look at the color.
Fig.
Sweet.
Whoa,
So pretty.
whoa! And EJ took a nice bite of it out of it. It said it was sweet, huh?
I told you it's real sweet.
Y'all.
Oh my
Cucumbers
gosh.
growing. Check that out.
It's good, huh, EJ?
My boy creating
These
no
are good
joke.
for you.
And I'm gonna be a new guy to the YouTube channel.
Uh-oh, and my boy E, you know, he's hanging out with us here on my boy off-grid property,
Gonna be doing some of the yard.
chilling. Again, we're just checking out his garden, y'all. Man,
Yeah,
we're gonna check out
You want the
where
rest
this
of
fig
mine?
from.
over here.
Off that tree.
He was the only one.
All this, you know, we got just getting this stuff going, y'all. Nice big tomatoes, nice maters, tomatillos.
You know what, though? You trade it, and that's what's important.
Nice maters. These little things over here are so sweet. You talking about, man, talking about plucking off the tree. Just a few of them. They taste so good. I'm just gonna get me a few of them and pop them on in my mouth.
Yeah, so these are marigolds. All
Marigolds,
these
you know,
marigolds keep like the mosquitoes.
other insects away. Yeah,
Yeah,
good
maybe
job,
not the
good
ants
job.
so much, but
Spiders.
yep, no spiders, no
No, I see a spider.
flying insects. Yeah, this little baby jumping spider.
I know
We got so many marigolds. I had to start pulling some.
And we just touring the property. That's a lemon tree over here. And it's really hot out here, y'all. Got a fig tree to the right, a lime tree over there. Again, those tomatoes, oh my gosh, they're so good and sweet. Man, oh my goodness. So he's gonna be cleaning up his little garden, getting things going, you know. When you work that 9 to 5, you know, things can easily get out of hand, y'all. Hard trying to maintain. Go check out the chickens in a minute. Got another orange tree. Oh, some of the sweetest oranges I've ever had in my life came from that tree right there, y'all. Sweet orange tree. Let's check out that. So you got the chickens and more maters over here. We'll go check out these nice peppers over here in this raised bed. Got some more maters. Check out these peppers here. Man, check it out. Nice peppers.
But it is beautiful.
Oh, my son likes to make salsa and stuff. Nice. Little strawberry going. Got a couple hanging out on there.
I like to just get stuff just to get it.
Different trees.
Like I would just get a short.
Look at the chickens over there. Over there by the orange tree. Several chicks. Already showed y'all the garden or whatnot. But yeah, they out there chilling, the chicks. You know, it's hot out here today, a little over 100 right now. But we're in Northern California. Uh-oh. What over there? What you over there picking?
This is the pluot tree.
That's a pluot tree?
Yes, sir.
That's right.
I think I let him go for too long though. The bugs got to him.
Oh, okay.
Just, you know, dancing themselves.
Got the little chick rolling around out there. All right. There's one at the top right above your head. Straight up. You see it? To your left with your left arm? Straight up. It looked like it's done. I think, well, I don't know if they look right, you know, further back. Further, yeah.
That one?
No.
Right here?
Go, no, straight up where you were.
Oh.
No, up, right, up, right there.
Oh, press it.
Oh, cool.
Oh, cool. I like your guys' little water.
Look at this guy right off the tree. Look at that. Wow, pluots.